Good morning to you all. Today we are going to know about a process of separation called distillation. The word distilled is derived from this word distillation, that is distillation process. We all are familiar with the term distilled water. Distilled water is used to inject medicines in muscles or veins during treatment of a patient. I mean to say that distilled water is the pure form of water. It means it contains only water molecules, that is H2O. Nothing other than water is present in distilled water. By this process, we obtain distilled water. For the purpose, we set up an experiment in such a way. We take a flask, round bottom flask, and fit it with a stand in this way, and take water and sample containing soluble or insoluble substances. A cord is fitted which contains a delivery tube. This delivery tube is connected with a condenser by rubber tube. This is the figure of condenser. Here is outlet and here is way to enter water. In condenser, water flow, cold water flow continuously. A vessel is kept below the delivery tube. Now we start heating the flask, the liquid water or liquid contained in the flask. Condenser, pure water. See, observe this diagram. We take, for the purpose, we take some amount of the liquid mixture in the flask and a condenser. This is condenser which is used to condense vapor into liquid. Through the condenser, cold water is supplied continuously. This condenser is joined with two delivery tubes. One here which is fitted with the cord. Here I need to stop the closure of the flask, and other delivery tube is joined with the condenser by rubber tube here. This is rubber tube and a vessel to store the liquid obtained. When we start heating the mixture, the liquid here, liquid is water gets evaporated. The water vapors produced passes through this delivery tube and the condenser. As the water vapor enters the condenser, due to low temperature, due to decrease in the temperature, or I mean to say that due to cold water, it condenses into water molecules, water, and is collected in this vapor. This is distilled water and is called pure water. In this way, we can separate any liquid from a solid liquid mixture, whether solid is soluble or insoluble. If insoluble, we filter first and then start distillation process and we get distilled water. Okay, thank you. In next video, I will explain the part of the distillation, that is fractional distillation.